Welcome to the embedded system class. So in previous lecture I discussed about different types of serial communication buses. So in almost all embedded systems we use serial communication devices. So serial communication devices means data is transferred serially. So there are more advantages in serial communication interface rather than parallel communication interface. So as we know that serial communication devices are the data we send very high securely, we can send the data, and for longer distances we prefer serial communication devices, and the circuit complexity is very less in serial communication devices. So securely we can send the data in serial communication devices. So serial communication devices are, we have UART, I2C, SPI, CAN controllers, USB cables. All these devices are used as USB serial communication devices. We have two types of interfacing circuits are there: asynchronous serial interfacing and synchronous serial interfacing. UART CAN controllers are asynchronous serial interfacing devices, and whereas I2C and SPI are synchronous serial interfacing devices. So in this topic we are going to study about baud rate. So baud rate will decide the fast of the performance of the device. So we in embedded system syllabus we are going to we have studied about two ARM architectures, TM123 and TM124. TM123 and TM129. So the clock speed of 123 device is 80 megahertz, and bit rate we can send 100 million instructions per second in TM123. So within 1 second we can send 100 million instructions per second. So whereas in 129 we can send 150 million instructions per second, right? So in 129 we can send 150 million instructions per second. So what is meant by baud rate? Baud rate is the rate at which information is transferred in a communication channel. So data how the information transferred in communication channel is a baud rate. So baud rate is commonly used while discussing electronics that use serial communication. So up to now I discussed what is serial communication. So mainly baud rate will discuss about discussed in serial communication interfacing protocols. So in serial port context, 9600 baud means the serial port is capable of transferring a maximum 9600 bits per second. So this is 9600 is standard bit rate of UART. Okay, UART, what is UART meant? Universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. It is a serial communication device. In UART, so the data transfer is in between two devices. So UART is a half duplex asynchronous serial communication device. So the baud rate of UART is 9600 bits. So we can transmit 9600 bits per second. So we can write the equation also: baud rate equal to number of bits per second. So these are the standard bit rates: 9600 and 1,15,200 bits per second. These two are the standard baud rates of UART. So a baud rate rates above 76,800, the cable length will need to be reduced. The higher the baud rate, the more sensitive the cable becomes to the quality of installation. Due to how much of wire is untwisted around each device. So if the baud rate is higher, then the sensitivity of the cable also very high. And the length of the cable need to be reduced. So as the means, so if we want to send more number of bits, so we use untwisted wires to transfer this data. So mainly baud rate represents how many number of bits we can transmit per second. So that is about baud rate of any serial communication device. Thank you so much.